Hi, this is Mandy. Today I will introduce our 3 DTF transfer ponders, TP101, TP102, and TP103, designed for delicate fabrics to achieve premium printing results. The first TP101 is perfect for ultra-fine fabrics, with fine particle and a melting point of 115 to 120. It keeps fabric lines and breathable without sticky residue. Its soft texture and anti-sublimation feature make it ideal for baby wear and luxury lingerie. The next TP102 is engineered for stretch fabrics. It hides elasticity prevents cranking on complex patterns, while the smooth finish suits activewear like yoga pants and sportswear for long-term use. The final TP103 saves the day for coarse fabrics. With large particles, it works on wet films without dust, delivering 3D effects, perfect for denim and canvas. So, thanks for watching. For more DTF ponder solution, feel free to contact the LINKO team.